Books are those they let you travel without moving your feet. You can buy books but not happiness and experience that a book does to you. Books are to explore.
Books are your friends. They never expect you to be loyal or according to their expectations. They meet your needs and necessities. Alone, they define solution for all your problems.
Books are friends. Neither they expect or they regret. They are the main functional keys on the keyboard. They are responsible only for the functions which has major role to play.
Reading is to the mind what exercise, diet, yoga does to the body.
You can listen to the audio of the books and get to know the effect it has put on your brain. It might not be a good exercise. Reading books is a great relaxation.
Books are just blessings, known or unknown. Author might be God.
The books are immortal. The character in a book lives until you live.
One person's fiction might be someone's reality. Sleep is good, books are better. Reading them makes best. Some books should be tasty, some devout. Only a few, but only a few must be chewed and digested thoroughly.
Books are the perfect enjoyment and entertainment. Why? Because they have no commercial, no advertisement, no buffering, and no batteries. They give us complete information and the gain of knowledge or the power for each and every rupee spent on them. Books have the power to sell failures. That is the power of book. If someone want to be very good in front of me, they can gift me a very good book. Reading books might be an hobby, but for me, it is living for another tomorrow. And why I read books on and on and on is until we reach the last page of the book, it doesn't reveal what is the secret inside the book. One must be very careful about books or the words written inside them. Why? Because words have the power to change us.
Every problem has a solution. The problem we face today is new for us, but it's old and solved history for the writers. Until you reach 30 years, you cannot experience 30 years of life. Read a biography within a week. You will get one whole life to live.
Quality of our life depends upon the quality of the thoughts what we get. Reading books help us get better quality thoughts. In this moment, I would like to bow to the greatest book of all times such as Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Quran and Bible. Let us salute all the authors and books which has added so many values in our life.